Awaken the baker in you. KBS Bread Maker 710W Dual Heaters, your perfect ally for delicious and healthy breads. Tired of tasteless, store-bought bread? Are you looking for a quick and easy way to enjoy freshly baked bread at home? Discover the magic of the KBS Bread Maker 710W Dual Heaters. Imagine the irresistible aroma of freshly baked bread filling your kitchen. Enjoy a slice of warm, crusty bread with every meal. Experiment with different recipes and flavors to create unique breads. Save money and time by not having to buy bread at the store. Share your passion for bread with friends and family. The KBS Bread Maker 710W Dual Heaters allows you to prepare a wide variety of breads with the push of a button. Choose from 17 different programs, including whole wheat bread, French bread, sourdough bread and more. Adjust the size and color of the crust to your liking. Add additional ingredients such as nuts, dried fruits or seeds. Set the timer so that the bread is ready when you need it. The good. Easy to use. Wide variety of programs. Consistent results. Fresh and delicious bread. Save money and time. The bad. Can be a little bulky. Price may be high for some. Does not have all the features of more expensive bread machines. Are you worried about the price? Don't worry. The KBS Bread Maker 710W Dual Heaters is an investment in your health and well-being that will give you years of satisfaction. Are you afraid of not knowing how to use it? Don't worry. The machine comes with detailed instructions and is very easy to use. Don't miss this unique opportunity. Take advantage of limited time offers and get yours now. Limited units. Do not miss yours. More than 10,000 bread lovers already enjoy the KBS Bread Maker 710W Dual Heaters. Listen to the opinions of satisfied buyers. This machine is incredible. It has allowed me to enjoy fresh, delicious bread at home effortlessly. Maria, mother of the family. It is the best tool for bread lovers. It has helped me experiment with different recipes and flavors. Juan, amateur baker. It's a worthwhile investment. It has allowed me to save money and eat healthier bread. Anna, nutritionist. Not convinced? Look at the opinions of other users on our website. KBS Bread Maker 710W Dual Heaters, your gateway to a world of baking possibilities. What are you waiting for to start baking?